Good morning, YouTube. Got a little bit of rain tonight. Flowers looking beautiful. Look at that. You can't ask for a prettier picture than that, guys. Look at that. Colors are popping. Definitely a bunch of colors there are popping. Oh, wow. Look at those. Little center in the middle. It's all looking good. These things are growing bigger than the banana tree. And that's the sunflower. And there's I thought that was a sunflower there, but it's not a sunflower. Oh, no. I think that one might be a sunflower, too. It's got a weird color. Then BB's little lettuce plant, I don't know what that is.
Black-eyed Susan.
Black-eyed Susan?
Yes.
I call it a lettuce plant because I never seen no flowers coming out of it there. Oh, wow, look at that. We got the yellows. We got the reds.
You got the peach.
Got the peach. Oh, wow. That is beautiful. All right. We got these little thingies. These got to be fed almost every day. They're coming along. Let's see the gandules. How are they looking? That's the bananas. I just want to see. Gandules are looking good. There's a lot of gandules in there because we put a bunch of seeds thinking just in case if one didn't grow. But the avocado tree, she's pushing out that bark. But the crazy thing is, if it doesn't come out here, I'm going to have to remove this piece here. Which most likely might have to get removed from there on once this grows fully. I'm going to have to cut that piece if there is nothing there, but she's trying to come back, guys. How long is it going to take? Who knows? But it took a struggle to push through that bark. Okay. Let's see here. We got some tomatoes, baby. You got yourself, bring the compost so I can dump that in there and flip it. Look at all those. We got a lot of tomato picking, guys. We got a lot of tomatoes to pick. And bring a bag, too. Yeah. So we're going to pick the tomatoes. This avocado tree's coming back good. The things we might lose is this orange tree. And we do not know why. It was so strong and now it's like, we don't know why. It's falling like that. But it's been looking like that for days. You can't even see the banana trees in there. And this other avocado tree, she's coming in good. And what is really impressing us is how strong these pineapple trees are coming back. I know they're over 2 years old. Usually it takes 2 years. That's one right there. Usually it takes 2 years for a pineapple to fruit from the time you plant it, but these been here a while. But they're coming back. Banana trees still munching squirrels. Lemon tree's doing good. Maybe we'll get something, who knows, but she's been doing good. And then this tree here, when you guys first seen it, she was just a little stick. And now look at her, it's a butterfly tree that we bought from, whatchamacallit. Can't remember the name of the place, but hopefully that's coming in good. All right, let me go get the fork. Let's go pick some tomatoes. And we might have too many tomatoes here. This compost is looking impressive, BB.
I've seen that.
She's looking, they might be done by November.
No.
Yeah?
No.
Still got a while to go. You still, where was it that we bought that tree again?
Rural King.
Roar King, yeah. I'm thinking, yeah. And then we got some soup. That's where you put weeds with water. And then our wild banana tree. Squirrels, stop eating them. Please. All right, let's see how many tomatoes we got. Let me see the bag and bite. Which one? We ate one already. That was months ago.
Ducks.
Are they ducks? Those are some weird
ducks.
birds.
No, they're ducks.
And then now,
Oh, those are big cherries.
and they need to be cleaned too, cause woo, 1, 2. This will be the first time ever. Ooh, we got one in here.
Cherry tomato.
This will be the first time ever we've got a.
Oops.
You're killing it already? Come on, man.
Cherry tomato.
Yeah, this is just all multi-seeds in here. But again, this will be the first time ever we've really eaten our own tomatoes.
Not our first time, but first time in a very, very, very long time.
Oh, man. I'm getting like you. Oh, we can eat the green ones. Make some fried green ones. I mean,
Something's coming in and sitting on that.
no, this is just.
No, this over here.
Should I pick this one yet or no?
No. Not that one either. Okay. Oh,
No,
yeah,
that's
you can-
good. I don't mind it being a little bit of green.
No. See how that's pushed down? Something sitting in there.
Huh. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alrighty. This is coming in good. Wonder if these are gonna give anything here.
Yeah, look. You've got them all in there. There's some right here at the edge.
Okay, cool. Heck yeah. We got ourselves tomatoes. We're farmers now. We're farmers.
You're a farmer now.
We're officially a farmer. We're farmers. We are officially farmers. But everything's looking good here. What did you think about that orange tree? Did you see it again?
I seen it.
Oh, I gotta close that thing. Whew. See what happens. I mean, it's been looking like that for days. Hopefully this grass will start growing. Hopefully it'll start raining. Who knows? I mean, because right now we're just in the projects of cutting the grass, weed eating, and that's pretty much it for this point till something comes and swipes it all away. This hard work. But you wouldn't even known that there was a freeze. And then this is taking off too. This grass that I planted, it's holding that dirt in and everything. Eventually, if I get money, I just want to do around the edge of the house with that. But this is holding in real good. And everything else looks good. But it's been in the hundreds degrees around 4 o'clock, right? Yeah, because these things have to be watered every day, almost practically, if not every other. You can't leave these little ones be.
My mockingbird keeps taking the cocoa hair out.
Yeah, stripping the cocoa hair. But these, because they dry up so quick because of the
cocoa hair.
Well, and then the 100-degree weather at 4 o'clock in the afternoon really doesn't help it.
Go get some more of these.
Yeah, I gotta go back to the store. But no, all those look beautiful. All those little flowers there. It has come in. I mean, these suckers are growing taller than the banana tree. They're saying, banana tree, you taking too long. And then this is my friend's avocado tree. The other one's trying to sprout, and then that's his banana tree we're going to give him for his new house. But thank you for joining us, guys. It's still holding and looking clean over there. Eventually we'll have to do our driveway. But hopefully we start getting more rain. Be careful with those wasps. Why?
Because it needs to be cleaned out.
Oh, okay. Just be careful with the wasp. They've been attacking that hummingbird thing. But other than that, guys, everything else should start falling into place with this here. So until the next one, munch on our tomatoes. Yeah, my mother's trees are starting to come in full. Yeah, be careful. There's a lot of ants in there too, right?
Gotta rinse it out. They're all dead, but...
No, I know. I'm saying we've been having the ants and things. At least a bird's been touching this. The doves.
Back up. The
Something.
woodpecker.
Oh, okay. But no one is touching that yet. So eventually we're going to put that here. And this plate here when that's done. And this one here. But then again, the rain and stuff, so hopefully it doesn't take the flavor away from it.
No, the squirrels go up there and they still, nope,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
not for me.
Yeah, but nope, they ain't getting up there. They're trying, they're planning, and they're thinking. So until the next video, BB.
Everybody take care of one another, take care of yourselves. See ya.
Now the wasps are looking for all, look at that, they're over here like, where's it at?
Uh-huh.
Where's it at?